Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add big mouth effect to our videos in CapCut. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, we're going to add big mouth effect to this video. So first of all, we can tap on the effect option and select body effect, and on this body effect, we have to choose the funny faces category. This one, tap on the funny faces and click on big mouth to add the big mouth effect to our video. Okay, and click on the check mark, and if you want to make the effect align with the video, you can drag it like this. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, and here is the result, guys. Alright, yes, and that's how we can add big mouth effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.